How to change Outlook password on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Outlook password on your iPhone or Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up any web browser. After you open up any web browser, search for Outlook. Search for Outlook to its website. Tap on outlook.live.com and log in into your account. So this is what your Outlook should look like. Then tap on the top right corner and there you'll find My Microsoft account. Tap on that and you'll get redirected to your account.microsoft.com where you can manage your account. So if you have not logged in there, you can log in there as well. So let it just load. If it's not opening up, you can reload it. And after you're here, there you'll find an option that says change password. After you change, after you tap After you tap on that, you can select how you want to change your password. So I'll just send a code to this website, web browser. I'll just send a code to this email. So type in the correct email. And after you type in the correct email, you should be getting a mail there. So let's do that. Then tap on send code. And now you should be receiving a code on your Gmail app. So let's head over there. So there you can see I've just received this code. Now all I have to do is copy this code, head back here and paste it. After pasting it, now I'll be redirected to this page where I can type in my correct password. After I type in my current password, type in the new password and then re-enter the password. After you do that, you can then tap on save here and then you'll have changed your Outlook password on your phone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.